Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing your work regularly. So, after completing first unit, let's move on to unit 2. And the poem is Teamwork. So, in this poem, the poet Jan Negro, he has explained the importance of working together. He says that when we work together as a team, we are able to achieve our goals. We can fulfill our dreams only when we work together as a team. And here he has given reference of some games also, like basketball, relay race. He says that if there is no one to pass the ball, how can we score a goal? If there is no one to pass the baton, there can never be a relay race. So, when we work together as a team, only then we can do something. There are many games which are played in a team. So, in the end of the poem, he explains that how we can make a team. There should not be any me. There should not be any you. When this me or a you that becomes us, only then it is a team, and only then we can achieve our goals. Right? So, this is the idea which the poet has explained in this poem. Now, let's move on to question answers. So, first question is, how can we make our dreams work? हम अपने सपने कैसे पूरे कर सकते हैं? So, answer is, we can make our dreams work when we work together in a team. Alone, we cannot do anything. So, when we work together in a team, when we work together as a team, we are able to achieve our dreams. We are able to fulfill our dreams. So, we can make our dreams work when we work together in a team. Second question, name a few games which are played in a team. You all know this thing. So, the answer is, the games which are played in a team are basketball, relay race, football, cricket, etc. And many more games are there that are played as a team, in a team. Alone we cannot play that game. Right. Third question is, when can we achieve success? So the answer is, we can achieve success when a you or a me becomes an us. कब हमको सफलता मिलती है? जब एक तुम या एक मैं, जब ये हम बन जाते हैं. When we work together in a team, there is no me. मैं नहीं होता, उसमें तुम नहीं होता, उसमें क्या होता है? हम. जब हम बन के काम किया जाता है, only then we can achieve success. So after doing your question answers, there are some questions of back exercise also. So the first thing is, complete the following sentences. So here, on the basis of your poem, you have to complete the sentences. Blanks are given. You have to complete those blanks. Next is, name the team members needed for the following. And for that, example is given, like for to play cricket, we need, what are the things, how many persons we need to play cricket? So it is batsmen, bowlers, fielders, coaches. So without these special persons, we cannot play cricket. Right? Second question is, to make a film we need. So here you are to write, like producer, director, actor. These are the special persons that are needed to make a film. Next question is, complete the sets of rhyming words. Rhyming words, you know, the words which make similar sound. So here also they have given an example. It is team, and for that the answer is beam. So many words are written there, so you have to write their answers. Like the next one is plus, so we can write us. Others you will solve yourself. Okay, after that the question is read the poem. A poem is given, and on the basis of that poem, you are not to write answers here. Answers are written in the bubbles. You have to frame the questions. Right? So read this poem carefully. After that, frame the questions, not the answers. Right? And while framing questions, be very careful that you start your question, when you start your question with WH word, after that, immediately after that WH word, verb should be there. Right? What your name is, that is a wrong formation. So right formation is what is your name. So keep this thing in your mind when you frame a question. Keep this thing in your mind that after WH word, you have to write verb there. Right? After that, the last question is write the contractions for the following. Contraction is, you have done this thing in 4th class also. Contraction is when we write something in brief using apostrophe S. Here also they have given a lot of examples like we will. V apostrophe and after that double L. These all examples are given in your book, right? So here, like first question is has not, and you have to write its contraction form. Its contraction form is HASN apostrophe T, right? So be very careful. This apostrophe is written to replace O. Don't make mistake that after has you put that apostrophe and then you write NT. Okay, so be very careful. Try to solve these questions. If you feel any doubt, you can call me. Right? So do your work neatly. If you have book, write it on the book. If you don't have books, write only answers in your notebooks. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.